I was in bed with my wife, who doesn't sleep well. She answered the phone. Weiss, 85, said at a press conference when asked how he found out he would receive one of the most prestigious awards for physicists. "We were all quite nude." Weiss, who flunked out of MIT before re-enrolling, graduating and becoming a professor, will share the Nobel and the $1.1 million prize with two researchers from Caltech. Together, the three were honored for their work in creating the LIGO detector, which more than 2 years ago discovered gravitational waves for the first time. Long theorized, originally by Einstein as part of his theory of general relativity, gravitational waves are ripples in the fabric of space and time caused by violent events in the universe, including the collision of two black holes. Unlike sound or light waves, gravitational waves are not affected by planets and so carry information that can't be found anywhere else. If Einstein were still alive, it would be absolutely wonderful to go to him and tell him about the discovery, Weiss said. "I certainly feel humbled to be put in the same category as the giants of physics." Yesterday, Weiss repeatedly credited the more than 1,000 researchers and engineers that helped develop the LIGO detector, speaking at length about the technical challenges that had to be overcome. "I don't want to take credit for it. I know what everybody did. I did some, they did some," Weiss said. As he minimized his contributions, Weiss's colleagues praised his work, which is still ongoing. "It's an appropriate measure for all of us for what Rai has accomplished, and I think there's a very clear sense for us that this is the person who's the guide star," said David Shoemaker, spokesman for the LIGO scientific collaboration. "This is really the person who made the experiment possible. It feels very, very good, very satisfying to see Rai recognized this way." At 5 a.m. yesterday, a group of LIGO researchers gathered in a room at MIT, downing coffee and waiting for the winners to be announced. When it came, the room erupted as they began to celebrate Weiss, said Sebastian Biskins, a LIGO engineer. "It's going to be a big party for us all day long," Biskins said. "Weiss is in the office next to me. It's amazing. If you are an undergrad or a grad student, even a professor, you can still knock on his door with a technical issue, and he's always going to be passionate about it."